Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 18th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody had a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Friday and Saturday. Also, the weather radar across the nation. Also, take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map for you locating across the nation. Also, the Storm Prediction Center overview and a few other products. And also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Friday. And we have a marginal risk for severe weather over portions of the country. So stick around to the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And also like these videos and share these videos. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alrighty, as you can see, we got some rain showers up here from Maine all the way down to Delaware, D.C., eastern North Carolina, eastern Virginia, stretching all the way back over toward portions of the Great Lakes and southeast Canada, from eastern Michigan through Indiana down to Tennessee, back to southern Missouri, also back into Kansas, Nebraska, and portions of Colorado in northern Oklahoma, South Carolina, all the way down to Georgia, Alabama, back into Texas and Oklahoma, and New Mexico. Alright, we got some mixed precipitation over northern Michigan, northern portion of Minnesota, a few pockets in portion of Montana, southern Canada, through portion of Nebraska, and also a portion of northwestern Kansas regions as well. Down toward Florida, Florida Keys, down to the Bahamas, Jamaica, Cuba, also down to the Yucatan Peninsula, much of Mexico, portion of southeast Texas, southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and across southern Georgia. Same over here from New Mexico to Washington State, and the through portions of the Dakotas, all the way into portion of Michigan, Illinois, much of Illinois, Indiana, and also Wisconsin region as well. All of this activity is for your Friday, April the 19th. Alright, let's move on to the Saturday forecast now. As you can see, we got some showers up here in southern Canada, up here around the Great Lakes region, also southeast Canada, stretching in a portion of Maine through Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and New York State and Pennsylvania. More showers from west portion of Virginia into North Carolina through Tennessee, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, and portion of Colorado. Also, we have some rain showers over here, portion of Washington, Oregon State, mixed precipitation in Washington, portion of Nebraska, and also into portion of Kansas and Colorado, and a little bit of mixed precipitation up here in portion of northern Vermont, northern portion of New Hampshire, and northwestern and western Maine as well. Alright, we got thunderstorms and shower banks in North Carolina, down through South Carolina, Georgia, back to Louisiana and Texas, and New Mexico into New Mexico, and also Colorado, including Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia region, and the Panhandle of Florida as well. All of this activity for the remainder of the forecast area, you will remain under dry high pressure for much of Canada, through Montana to California, Gulf of California, also into portion of Arizona, New Mexico, down into Mexico, also into Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas, also Florida Keys, Florida, and portions of the Mid-Atlantic region, also in portions of Newfoundland, also into New Brunswick area as well. All of this activity is for your Saturday, April 20th. Okay, now we can move on to the weather radar now. As you can see, we got that line of showers and storms extending up here from northern Michigan through Illinois all the way down into portions Uh, okay, now we up and running. All right, as you can see here, we got southeast Oklahoma, central and eastern Texas. Also, we got severe thunderstorm watch down here in portion of very well Mississippi, Louisiana, Illinois, into a portion of Missouri. Same down in Texas, tornado warning, also a severe thunderstorm warning there as well, and got a severe thunderstorm warning in Mississippi. All right, we got freeze warning, frost advisories over Minnesota, Wisconsin, also Iowa, and also in the portions of South Dakota, and those are reported the Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Still got a blizzard warning to the southwest in Alaska, special weather statements inland. Same small craft advisories and gale warnings around the coastal areas of Alaska. And let's see, I think I got everything covered here in the United States. Yep, so we can move on to the That's pretty much just what I called out there. General thunderstorm stretching into South Carolina, back into Texas, back into Michigan, some over here in Montana, Idaho, and portions of Washington State. The the current watches, that's what I went over just a few minutes ago. Reporting Mississippi. Now, yeah, pretty much just current watches that's in effect. I don't know what went wrong there. Take a look at tomorrow's out. Alright, well, let's go ahead and take a look at this here. This is the marginal risk for severe weather, what I was talking about earlier, from Roanoke to Raleigh, Charlotte to Columbia to Charlotte, Louisiana, back to Fort Stockton, Midland, and Louisville to Grand Junction. General thunderstorms there. Tornado probability for your Friday, less than 2% all areas, so we're good on that. Damage and wind. Take a look at the large hail. Pretty much same location for large hail as well. Alright, let's see if we can get back to the see if we can get back over here. I'm gonna see if I can get back to it. I'll show you storm report. Here we go. Let's see if we can. We need to go to the. Man, let's see what we got. Well, let's see. I think. We might get away. Have a wonderful. Well, there it is here. Before we had 0 tornado reports, wind reports. We had 12. One was down here in Alabama. One in down, a couple down here in Texas. Over here in portions Mississippi. Missouri. Portion of Illinois and Western Kentucky. Hail report 34. We had one large report that was down here in Texas area, but that's where the storm reports took place today in portions of Illinois, West Kentucky, portions of central and eastern Missouri, central Texas, and one in northern Alabama. Alright, well, have a good one, folks. Take care, and we're going to try to see if we can end the video now, if it will let me end it.